Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you how to add a second YouTube account to your channel. Alright, to add a second channel to your existing channel, it's rather easy. You can go to a browser and just type in youtube.com/account and it'll take you to this page. Or an easier way is if you're in your studio, you can go up here, click on your icon, go to settings, and it takes you to the same place. Now what you want to do is go to add or manage your channels and then create a new channel. Since I really need to do this, I am going to create my channel for my urgent care. So I'm going to call it Pro Health Urgent Care. Hit create. Now one thing you need to do is to put in your phone number so that it can verify your account. So I'm just going to give it my cell phone so it can text me. So once I get that code, I can just enter it here. Hit continue. And there we go. Now I have my new account. So I can do the normal things I do with the channel. I can change the picture profile, add a photo. Let's add this one. Now that I have my icon, I can go back. It'll take some time for it to show up. So let's go back here. Now if I log back in, and now I can go up here and I'm already go to my channel. This is my new Pro Health Urgent Care. Now, if you don't already have a channel, I have a video on how to set up a YouTube channel. But if you do already have a YouTube channel set up and you want to learn how to optimize it, add cover photos, do other things, I have another playlist that I'll leave a link to right here, and it's YouTube tips and tricks, and it'll show you everything you need to know to manage your YouTube account. And if you don't want to watch that video, go watch this other video that YouTube recommends. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.